the conversation about having a statewide data dashboard that reflected the broadband economy or the digital economy and not be so manufacturing based or in terms of what we measure from a statewide level. And what we talked about was using multiple data layers. Today we saw the example from SNG where they had the broadband and the e-commerce data. So that's an example of say one data set or one way of doing it for the broadband piece. Then we have the Minnesota deed data on the economic vitality of the state. And incorporating those two together and then maybe layering that as well with the Wilder data or the ACS data, our community profile data, so that we have a comprehensive community profile that's looking at economic development, it's looking at the quality of life measures, and we're looking at where are the opportunities then in a digital economy. So where are we at in terms of our broadband deployment and utilization, and how is that impacting our local economic development, and how is that impacting our quality of life measures, and how can we use that information then to draw economic vitality to our rural communities. Then it's not just sufficient. I guess the first step would be to get the funding to support the data collection and the analysis, but then you really need to move on to the deployment and the intervention, the outreach and the education piece. And part of the SNG presentation, they had the bell curve, and it's moving the rock, which is that the bell or the camel's back. How do we get our business owners to mastery of e-commerce for growth? And that would be the goal. So thank you.